Hello my dear friends, this is a PaintyKat. My name is Catherine. Today we're gonna paint fall landscape and I'm gonna demonstrate you technique we used before for the composition with blue shutters, but in those painting we used this technique for the wall. Today we're gonna paint a forest with it. I really like this technique for the tree crows. So where to start? First of all, size of the canvas, it's kind of small. This technique I will demonstrate in 3 tutorials. It's like a mini serial. We're gonna go from the very simple composition to the medium one and till the most complicated but same time to the most detailed one. This painting is small and simple. Real-time tutorial going for 56 minutes. It's really short one, bit smaller than 1 hour, and I believe it's also very funny to try. Most of the time beginners have some issues with palette knife because it's not the same as a brush, not the same as a pencil, and we need something easy to try the tool. So this one, first of all, we're learning how to put acrylic big portions on a canvas. No long brush strokes, no specific strokes with palette knives yet. We just putting portion of different colors. It's green, it's orange, yellow, and a little bit of a brown. If you personally don't like umber burn, it's possible to mix with red, for example. As soon as it's a full landscape, you can choose whatever you like, those colors you feel the most beautiful for this season. I like a little bit of a brown for the tree crows. I like combination of this color and orange personally. But again, with this technique, possible to paint any kind of landscapes. It can be winter, blue and white. It can be a summer season, a lot of different greens and yellow, a bit of a yellow. And of course it can be a beautiful springtime with blooming tree crows. Okay, we put it, we mixing. While we mixing, we spreading color on a canvas, we have to pat fast and intense. Imagine you just patting tap 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 with a flat part of palette knife. This way you will create like a tiny needles. It's very bumpy, it's a nice texture, and later we're gonna add more and more details. On YouTube you can find demonstration versions of the tutorials of all of them. If you want to paint with me step by step with detailed comments about technique, colors I used, and brushes, palette knives as well, welcome on my Patreon. Links as usual you can find in a description box. My dear friends, thank you very much for joining, and I just hope you will find some interesting ideas in my tutorials. So don't forget to subscribe and don't miss new paintings. Thank you for watching. painting done. Let me remove tape. It's giving a tiny white frame. To be honest, I don't really like it, but still it's helping to me to keep canvas under the camera's table. It's not sliding around, you know. And I will leave it a little bit and turn. I really want to demonstrate you the texture. It's very interesting, and the view will depend from the light, so it's interesting to watch the paintings like that. I really hope you enjoyed this it's a still simple technique, which is very nice, and I just hope you will try it one day. Thank you for joining me here today. It was a PaintyKat, and I'll catch you on my next videos. Bye bye.